Science teachers, sometimes we're under so much pressure. We just feel like we constantly need to change to stay up to date with whatever is happening out there. I frequently get bored with the phenomena that I use to introduce a new concept. Then there's a new event happening and I want to stay up to date. It excites me. And then I bring that excitement over to my students. In this video, I'm going to share with you 3 phenomena that I felt compelled to change so that I can really grab the attention of my students. Want to follow me along? To introduce my acid base unit, in the past, I would have shown these pictures of trees suffering from the acid rain. Clearly, they're not growing very well. And statues that are clearly not looking too great. Acid rain does not promote the looks of either one of these. Then Breaking Bad came about. There's no better show to get your students excited about chemistry. Hydrofluoric acid clearly burns tissue. To introduce a nuclear chemistry unit, nothing better than to talk about the 1986 Chernobyl disaster. So a few pictures come into mind. This one showing you a radiation meter at 0.93 microsieverts per hour, well above the background radiation. Then came the Chernobyl TV show.
Kilograms are jumping up and down.
Chernobyl opens with a bang.
To introduce gas concepts, check the link in the video above where I go into this whole lab. I started last year with the phenomenon surrounding compression illness. A female deep diver tells her story on the podcast, This Podcast Will Kill You, about her deep diving accident and getting compression disease. But due to recent events related to the Titanic, I'm again inclined to change the anchoring phenomenon. The ship obviously sank back in 1912, and the wreck is still there to be studied. The OceanGate submersible went very, very deep underneath to find the Titanic wreckage and was exposed to pressures well beyond normal atmospheric pressure, probably hundreds of folds greater than that, possibly as a result of the carbon fiber component of the submersible. The OceanGate submersible imploded. The following podcast, Unsung Science with David Pogue, details the whole story before and after this accident happened. Most of us don't really have $250,000 to spare to join such a submersible. So instead, what you're seeing here is how you can place under pressure your own water to create carbonated water to drink. Screw it in, use the lever a couple of times, and boom, you've got your carbon dioxide into the liquid water. What a great drink. Check it out, Aarke carbonation. No, this company is not sponsoring this video, but Aarke, originally a Swedish company that sells these carbonation devices. We just purchased one. They're in it for the long run, despite being under pressure. According to their website, switching to home carbonation could save you a few dollars. Aarke, strange name, I had to look it up, means every day in southern Sami, a language spoken by only 500 people in the north of Sweden. Learned something new. And since we're on the topic of carbonation under pressure, check out this video linked above, all about chemical concept extraction from the decomposition reaction involving copper carbonate, which causes the release of carbon dioxide, a gas. You can easily spice up a concept that you're about to teach or a lab that you're going to do by paying attention to events that are happening out there. In case of the gas behavior lab, using the PhET simulation, it's talking about the Titanic, about the OceanGate submersible, and about home carbonation. And hopefully that might help us science teachers to relieve some of that pressure to keep our lessons exciting. Dutch lesson for today. Under pressure. Bum, 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 bum. Under pressure, repeat after me. Onder druk. Onder, obviously under. Pressure in Dutch is druk. under pressure. Thank you very much for watching. Bedankt voor het kijken. Tot ziens. See you in the next video.